Hey everybody, so this is the painting from 2 days ago where I used a paper towel swipe and straw and all sorts of stuff, and it is fabulous. I absolutely love it. So I just think it is way cool. I really like it. And then this is the one from my last video, and there's my favorite part. That lighter blue ribbon across. And that one still, it just reminds me of the ocean. So today I am going to do I hate calling it the kiss because I just think that's, I don't know, weird. But anywho, so I guess I'm calling it the smoosh. I'm smooshing. So I already poured on, these are, oh goodness, my back's hurting today. These are just MDF coasters. Oh my goodness. Okay. And so the colors I'm going to use, I've got a yellow, I've got a vermilion mix, ultramarine, and alizarin. And this is an MDF board that has been painted before. I gessoed and sanded. The back is a hot mess, but that I will sand and paint and finish before I sell it. So I'm going to put puddles on here and flip it this way. I've been sitting here for a while trying to figure out how to do this, and I think this way will be the best. But I'm actually going to smoosh these together. There we go. This way I will get coasters and a painting. Maybe I can sell them as a combo pack. We will see how this goes. We finally have like nice weather, but it goes from cold to super duper hot. It's gonna be 90 tomorrow. I do not enjoy the heat. I would prefer a little chill in the air, but I don't really have much say in the deal. I wish this was more iridescent-y, but I don't have anything offhand to make it so. All right, so I am going to coat the edges of this. Actually, I'm just gonna go all the way down. And we are gonna see what happens. Smoosh it all together. And they don't want to come off. Okay. I did not think about the suction factor. Woo! That is quite the suction. So you know what? I'm gonna trade positions. Oops. Seriously, that section factor is crazy. I really should tape the entire back of these coasters because they are going to be a hot mess as well. But if I'm selling them as a set, then may as well make it all just messy, right? Let's see. I think this one needs a little bit more. What? This is so much fun. I know what I need. I don't know why I didn't think of this sooner. Hopefully you can still see. These coasters are super pretty. All right. I think I'm gonna focus on the main painting, which I really like. Put those cells right there. I love these colors too. I'm pretty much loving all of this at the moment. Joke, you can always tell I'm not concentrating when I'm not talking. There's a lot of paint in that area. That's why I was trying to get a little more of it off. Paper towels. Ooh, in the meantime, look at what's going on with those. I wasn't even looking at those. Got tons of cells and stuff going on in there. And it's a good kind of cells. It's like the webbing kind, not the silicone kind. I don't like the silicone kind. And I'm going to set up beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to set that right over there. Now, see what's going on with these guys. They all look absolutely perfect. I don't think, I'm going to check to see if their sides need anything, but otherwise they kind of settled into their own perfectly. Like, absolutely perfectly. This one needs some white. Oh my gosh, too cool. Loving it. This is not level by any means. All right. I'm so happy with these. Okay. So there's the main one. Check out the webbing. And the first coaster. They wouldn't even really have to be coasters. They could be on a wall together. So, yay. Super happy with all of them. And I love that bright, vivid color right there in the middle. Yay, yay! Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.